A quick video here on Seestar scenery mode and how well the tracking feature works. I was at a local very popular beach and it was a very cloudy day, but I was still able to get some interesting shots of ships, these vessels, oil tankers, and I must say I had a lot of fun zooming in and testing the capabilities of scenery mode. You have to understand that these vessels I was looking at were crude oil tankers, so they were obviously extremely far away because people are swimming and there are surfers near the shore and things like that. But it was amazing how I could zoom in and look at not only the number of the vessel but the name of the ship, and then I decided to look them up on maritime traffic websites, vessel finder sites, and find exactly that same ship. Hey, if you're loving this, hit me with a like and a subscribe and stay with me here. So you're gonna see me here trying to play with the tracking feature in scenery mode, and I'm actually trying to track a particular kind of like a little sailboat. It was going pretty fast. I have this one sped up. The frame in the middle is actually sped up, that video, just for brevity here. And I'm actually having a bit of a difficult time trying to track this thing. It was going pretty fast. As you can tell, I'm like running after it, and I'm keep moving my lens. At some point I do get it to track pretty well, but I must admit that here it is. I'm tracking it pretty well there it goes. But after many tries, that was after many tries, and it only tracked my object just for a few seconds. So I definitely think that this tracking feature could be improved. Objects that are moving slower, it's definitely better, but not with very fast moving objects. Vessel that you're seeing here, it was really neat to zoom in. This was actually a vessel from Hong Kong called the New Pearl. But one of the best parts is coming up. Check out this surfer. It's about to come into view, and I slowed down the frame there for a bit just so you can see it in action. There we go. That's pretty cool. So I slowed this frame down, but nonetheless, it was really neat. And here I am just kind of looking up information on this vessel and trying to figure out how many days it's been there, where its next destination is. It's actually pretty cool to do that. But yeah, as you can see, despite that it was a pretty cloudy day, I was still able to get some interesting details. And let's hope that the future Seestar models will have even better tracking capabilities, better cameras. Obviously, they have to get better and better.